Nakakuhuli tayo ng Journey Together packs for MSRP. Whaler yung chase natin. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaanas. Ito din yung 6 top chase para sa akin. 2 packs lang tayo kasi baka maubos agad yung stocks natin eh. Alright, first pack. Reverse Rookie D, Reverse Hop Choice Man, and Hollow Wailord. Sayang, ibang Wailord yung lumabas. Baka nandito, second pack. Reverse Postwick, Reverse Parasect, and Hollow Magmortar. Wala ta, hit ngayon ah.